Alright, so I just woke up and it's 4 in the morning and I'm bored, so I took a trade. And I'm about to take a profit. Motherfuckers, come on, man. Just one more push. Just one more push, brother. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Boom! Bull run, baby! Alright, so boom. As you can see on the last clip, I win a trade, right? And right now, the trade that I win yesterday is what I lose today. And I over leverage my shit. So lesson that I learned today is you don't need to be greedy. You want to earn money, bro. And also, I didn't follow my trading plan right here because this ratio is 1:4. Basically, I do like 1:1 or 1:2 ratio. So yeah, I don't know why I took this trade. I just spammed the buy button, but now I'm fucked. Alright, so tomorrow there's no market because they celebrated the day of Martin Luther King Jr. And on Tuesday there's PPI. On Wednesday, oh, there's a lot of high impact news. CPI. And on Thursday, there's a lot of high impact news too. And Friday is just a building permits. Let's see about this. Annualized number of new residential building permits issued during the previous month. If actual is greater than forecast, it's good for currency. So that basically means pair like GBP USD or anything pair that against USD will go bearish. So let's expect that the price will go down for a moment. Alright, so the New York market session is closed today because they celebrating some Martin Luther King's Day. I don't know, but it's a holiday for the New York market right now. So I'm just gonna trade in London session later. But right now, so I just finished working out. But right now I'm getting a haircut because my hair is so long. I just want to trim this because it's kinda annoying when I trade or do my workout, you know. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit and do some low taper on the sides. I'm just gonna get ready and I'll see you guys on the barbershop. Right. That guy did great. I gave him a tip. Like, what the fuck, man? Oh shit. Yo, I just got back home and yes, I know that my hair is kinda good. Yeah, stop glazing, man. And right now, I'm about to take a trade on XU. And I just want the price that break this structure right here so that I can place a trade. But right now, I don't think so. I'm gonna update you guys if this price will break this structure right here so that I can place a trade. And yes, I wanna go run outside, but unfortunately I'm waiting this candle right here to break this structure on the 5 minutes time frame so that I can place trade. But yeah, this is a long game, son. So we're in right now in the 5-minute time frame and we are in a 300 box right now. So I'm just gonna update you guys later. Yo, we outside again. Yo, I'm so glad that it didn't rain right now because it's still raining season right now. And I'm not gonna lie, it's been days that I haven't run. Feel what I'm saying? Yeah. So boom, I took the 50% of the profit, so I made $870, I think. Wait, let me check. Hold on. Yeah, 870 USD, motherfuckers. Now I'm waiting for the price that will hit this liquidity right here. So I'll catch you guys later. And now I'm about to take a profit. As you can see here, that's a 1200 US dollar. That's that 800 earlier, so that's basically 2K. And now I'm waiting for the price hits this liquidity right here. It almost got hit, but almost. I'm hoping that the price will still go down, will still draw into that liquidity. Alright, so boom, there is a fair value gap right here, right? So if the price disrespect that fair value gap, I'm gonna close my fucking trade, right? But if not, let's see if hits the take profit right below here. Alright, so boom, we broke the structure to the downside, and now I'm waiting for the price will go down. And now we're about to hit that fucking, oh my god, I hate the spread, bro. I hate the fucking spread. Why this price keep teasing on me? Like, what the fuck, bro? What is your fucking problem, bro? Like, you see that little wick right there? Come on, gang. Gang, you're literally so fucking close. So take that profit. Come on, gang. Come on, gang. One more time. I swear to God, bro. I swear to God, bro. What the fuck? I swear to God, bro. The market keeps teasing me, bro. Like, at last, bro. What the fuck is this shit? So boom, that's a $2,000 right there. And with that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys into the next one. Peace out.